5 seconds. 4. Yes! Awesome, guys, we did it. Hey everyone, it's Leia! And today we're diving into one of the most popular and effective strategies called swing trading. Swing trading is a strategy all about tracking price movements over short to medium time frames. So let's cut the talk and get into how this actually works. There is no such thing as a strategy for every scenario, but you can join my free trades on my Telegram channel, and if you decide to go for my personal coaching, you'll definitely become a successful trader. Before we start trading, I'm switching to candles, setting the time frame to 15 seconds and adding a few currency pairs, of course. I'm setting the expiration time to 1 minute and entering with 2000. Then I add some indicators. The first indicator is Bollinger Bands and the second is MACD. Let's set Bollinger Bands to a 20 period and start trading. Yeah, opening a short trade. Here's our trade setup. We've got a downward movement. Then we enter the upper Bollinger Band channel. And to open a short trade, we should be below 0. You can see it on the chart. And that's exactly what's happening here. Let's check the chart. Great, the price dropped just as we wanted. Yes, it's going down. And let's wait. Yeah. Yes! We got in at the perfect time and we made a profit. That's awesome. And let's move on, guys. Find a few more trades and earn some more money. And now we are opening a long trade. The setup aligns with our strategy. We see an uptrend and we are above 0 on the MACD. And we are entering the lower Bollinger Band channel. So let's open a long from here. Let's see what happens on the chart. Yeah, it's going up. Why are you going down? No!
No, God! No, God, please, no!
Just a few seconds. Alright. So what do experienced traders do in these situations? We open 2 more long trades to cover the loss. Let's hold out and hope these trades go into profit. It's intense, but we are still waiting. Yeah, waiting, nervously waiting. Oh my god. Yeah, it's going up. Where you go? 5 seconds. 4. Yes! Awesome, guys, we did it. 2 trades in the green. We recovered the loss on that last one. Although, honestly, wouldn't it be nice if every trade was a winner right from the start? Then again, maybe it wouldn't be as exciting. Alright, let's switch pairs and see what's up. And opening a short trade here, since the setup matches our strategy. We are seeing a downtrend approaching the upper Bollinger Band channel, and we are below 0 on MACD. So we are going short here. Let's see what's happening on the chart. Where it goes? Stop. Yes. These trades in the green. I swear trading feels like a roller coaster sometimes. Alright, let's try opening a long trade here. We are seeing an uptrend entering the lower Bollinger Band channel, and we are above 0 on the MACD. As I said before, it makes sense that this trend would continue up from here. And let's watch the trade. Yes, so far so good. just like we wanted. Alright, we have 20 seconds left. Sometimes those seconds feel like forever. Yes, it's beautiful. Okay. 3, 2... Oh no, perfect timing for it to freeze, right? I told you it's a roller coaster. I'm pretty sure we still close the trade in profit. Very important moment. Guys, let's wish me good luck. Okay, let's check it out. Yes! Yes, we made it! What a beauty! Every one of our trades hit profit. Amazing, guys. I don't know about you, but I'm loving this thrill ride. One trade went negative, we countered it, then everything froze up. Whew. Today was a great reminder that trading can be unpredictable, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't fear it. It just means you should check your subscription to the channel and join my Telegram. That way you always be in profit and know how to handle even the most unexpected situations. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!